We have quite a few international students by now, so about a little less than 20% is international students. And of course, that's only possible because we have a full English track. All courses from the first to the last are given in English. Okay? That's not completely true. Some of the courses are not taught in Dutch anymore, are only in English. So everyone has to follow it. There are study trips, there are many European study trips, there are also study trips to China, to Southeast Asia, maybe to India next year. And a study trip is not a tourist trip, it's more something like you are doing now. We want them really to get in touch with local students. They stay at the dormitories normally with local students, they go shopping or doing sports with their local students. So they really learn how it is to be a student in another country. International projects, international master proofs and so are also ways how to bring students of different cultures in contact to each other. Project work, we created a new kind of project work called engineering experiences. Okay? And what's the idea? Well, the idea is that they get a very general assignment, and in a small group, 4 or 5 people, they have to find a solution, they have to build the product, the thing, and they have to participate in the competition at the end of the semester to prove that their idea works. There are some examples here. If we have a lot of time, we also have a small movie about it, 5 minutes, which explains one of the projects. But for example, that's one of the projects where they say, okay, you get a solar cell, or this part, okay, and you have to build a car, and this car should be able to drive 100 meters in a straight line, and in the middle there is a small slope that they have to cross. Okay, that's all they get, and they also get a solar panel. Then they have to find out how you build the car, how can we make sure that it runs in a straight line, how I make sure that they have enough solar energy to power these engines, and so on and so on. So a lot of things they have to find out themselves. There are coaches, of course, there are assistant professors who help them in making the final choices, but the most of the work they have to do themselves. Okay, I will not explain on this, we have small